Client reached out to me because their website is on WordPress and they were not able to get the conversion tracking to fire. Basically, they wanted the purchase event to fire and the revenue to be loaded, and they set up everything correctly, but it was still not firing. So I thought maybe they have not done something right. I should take a look, and then I did some debugging. I tried setting it up from scratch and I tested it out and it was still failing. So this is how it was looking like. The GA4 e-commerce purchase event was triggering. As you can see, it says succeeded, and the Google Ads tracking that I set up was failing. So even though it was firing, but it was failing, which was something I'd never come across before for any of my clients. So the workaround here is what I want to share with you, because it seems to be an issue from Google Ads and GTM side. There's no issue as such with the tracking, and all you need to do is GTM, go to your conversion linker. Here, instead of enable linking on all page URLs, you need to select override cookie settings, and here you need to type in this. So this is what it usually is like, underscore GCL, but you need to add another underscore here and save it. Another thing you need to do is go to your Google Ads purchase tag, and here you need to put that GCL again under cookie prefix. So click on conversion linking, make this true, and here instead of like this, you need to add another underscore and click on save. And that's it. That's how your tracking will be sorted. But as you can see, the client reached out to me 3 days back. So if you look at the data from 1st to 12th, their GTM website purchase wasn't working and they were using GA4. But if you look at the data now, it has started working because of this small change. So I hope this was helpful. Try it for your clients if their tracking fails. Because here the issue wasn't that it wasn't set up properly, it was an issue from Google side. So you just need to do the cookie prefix thing and you should be good to go.